While most people insure all their expensive assets, such as their home, their cars, many people overlook their most valuable asset, the ability to earn money.
Sue Fiedler was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease about 5 years ago. She's still waiting for her first Social Security disability check. Like 60% of working adults, Sue didn't have a private disability insurance policy.
You see, it's very difficult because at the time that you need to make it happen, you still think you're invulnerable and that it's not going to happen to you. Even with the diagnosis of Parkinson's and even feeling ill and even seeing my condition deteriorate, I was still under the illusion that I'd be able to continue working much longer than I was able to continue working. You just don't believe it's going to happen to you.
Unfortunately, it did happen to Sue. When Parkinson's crippled her ability to perform her job, Sue hired attorney Gabriel Hermann.
I had discovered from my reading that people who retained an attorney stood a much better chance of getting benefits than people who tried to just fill out the paperwork themselves and go through the Social Security Administration.
Hermann is in the business of helping disabled workers get approved for benefits. Nonetheless, he stresses that anyone who relies on the government to cover their income is making a huge mistake.
The problem with Social Security, while it is an excellent program, is that it is not the be-all, end-all as far as your income. It does not cover the amount of money that a person might be accustomed to have been earning at the time that they became disabled.
The maximum benefit for an individual who is over 65 is only about $1,700 a month. The average Social Security benefit for a disabled worker is in the $800 to $1,400 range. Disability insurance, either through an employer or individually purchased, covers a much larger percentage of a wage earner's income.
It depends on what an individual or an employer will purchase, but often we're seeing that policies cover about 75%, 80% of salary.
Karen Ignani says working Americans ought to think about insuring their income sooner rather than later.
It's very affordable. The earlier you purchase it, the more economical it is, and it's something that people will always have, and it's a peace of mind question.
Although Sue Fiedler did look into private disability insurance at a younger age, she didn't take out a policy.
Let's just say that I was making more in a week gross than I'm receiving in a month now. But you get lemons, you make lemonade, you develop coping strategies. You're faced with a reality and you find a way to make it work.
If you're employed and you want to find out if term insurance, disability insurance is offered with your benefits, well, it is a good idea if it is, and you should take it. If it is not, you need to call your insurance broker for private plans. But for more information, go to the American Association of Health Plans website at aahp-hiaa.org. And coming up, if you're not sure you're eligible for disability insurance, we're going to be joined by the attorney that you just saw, who specializes in Social Security disability and other related programs. So give us a call, 1-800-304-3638.